What's up guys, so this is pretty much a free drama reel application which you can check out guys. Links will be in the description, and this application here is completely free. You don't need any coins, you don't need any subscription, you don't need anything guys. All thing you do, you pretty much need to watch the movies or the drama series. So a lot of them which you can choose from, as you can see here, don't have any search option, just at the popular section there. And in the My List section is pretty much where you see all the movies that you have, or drama clips that you have watched. And as well in My List, you will add to your favorites. Profile section, as I said before, nothing much. You don't have nothing much in this section here. As I said, once you've selected whichever one of these drama movies that you want to watch, you'll be able to go ahead and select the episode sections and so forth. But I won't be able to show you guys because due to their privacy policy, that's gonna blank out the recording. I don't know why. But anyways, that's really pretty much it for this application. And if you want to check it out, links in the description. Let me know in the comment section what your thoughts on this application here. Well, that's it guys. See you in the next one.